Hey, so let's play a little game with sentences. I'll tell you a quick story, but I'll start with super simple sentences. Ready? I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went outside. Okay, now let's make compound sentences. I woke up and I ate breakfast. Then I ate breakfast and I went outside. But what if we add some details and make them complex sentences? After I woke up, I ate breakfast. Because I finished eating, I went outside. Now let's take it up a notch and make complex compound sentences. After I woke up, I ate breakfast and I went outside because the weather was nice. See how each sentence grows? First, you start small. Then, you add pieces like building with blocks. The story gets more interesting and you learn how to connect ideas. Let's try one more round just for fun. My friend called. I answered the phone. We talked about school. Now compound. My friend called and I answered the phone. We talked about school and we made plans. Complex. When my friend called, I answered the phone. Because we love chatting, we talked about school. Complex compound. When my friend called, I answered the phone and we talked about school because we had a lot to say. Learning English is like making a sandwich. Start with bread, add the good stuff, and soon you've got something awesome. Try making your own sentences and see how fun it is to build them up. See ya!